In this vlog, we are going to deal with the implementation of an API request using which we are going to download a file. So till now we have done API request for CRUD operations making use of a DO library. So we have performed get, post, put, delete, update. So all these API requests we have seen in our previous tutorials using DO library, and in this part of the tutorial we are going to download a text file with the help of an API request. So if you are watching this tutorial for the first time, I suggest you to go through our previous tutorials on DO library implementation in Flutter application so that you will be getting a basic knowledge on how we implement a network call in our Flutter applications using DO library. We are trying to provide the name according to our application requirement. That's all. There is no change in the file name. You can just specify any name here according to your requirement. And now let's try to run this particular code and see the output once. And also one more thing I would like to specify here is like we are downloading the file here and we need to get the user permission to it. And now here let's try to tap on the download file button and try to observe the console, like what the thing is going on. So here you can see we have got the response.status code as 200. So if you have gone through our previous tutorials, you might be well aware like what is the status code, and if it is 200 then it indicates that this API call is success. So when you tap on this particular file, you can see like we have got the same file loaded. And now for your observation, let's try to rename this particular file to file2.txt, and now let's try to run this particular code and see the output once.